wished you could clean your house with just the push of a button? Welcome back to our channel, where today we dive into the latest robot vacuums and mops that promise to revolutionize your home cleaning. Imagine a sleek black and silver device that not only vacuums and mops, but also dries its own pads with hot air and doubles as a security camera with two-way audio. Sound too good to be true? Stay with us to discover which groundbreaking gadget this is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Can a robot vacuum and mop truly elevate your home cleaning experience? Introducing the Eufy S1 Pro, a unique robot vacuum and mop that aims to elevate your home cleaning experience. Despite Eufy's reputation for high-quality smart tech, this new gadget brings both promising and problematic elements to the table. The Eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro boasts a striking retro tower design, diverging from the sleek, compact models most brands offer. Standing tall with a transparent black plastic build, it does not blend easily into home decor and occupies a similar footprint to other models, making it challenging to hide under tables or counters. Despite its bold appearance, it lacks standout features compared to other premium robots. Designed to simplify floor cleaning, the S1 Pro comes with a docking station that automatically empties the dustbin, refills the water tank, and cleans the mop. The robot includes standard components such as a roller, rotating sweeping brushes, and mop brushes, and Eufy generously provides extra parts. However, it falls short of the groundbreaking technology it claims, as current market options offer more advanced features like extending brushes, onboard video, voice assistance, and direct waterline connections. Direct installation is straightforward, and the Eufy Clean app facilitates customization and scheduling. The app's mapping capabilities are impressive, creating accurate maps using LiDAR, and allowing users to set specific cleaning preferences for different rooms. However, it lacks pin-and-go spot cleaning and onboard video features found in competing models. Performance-wise, the S1 Pro does an adequate job but struggles with deep cleaning. While it vacuums and mops surface-level dirt effectively, it often misses debris and fails to clean thoroughly, particularly around edges and corners. This is evident when compared to other models like the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, which consistently outperform the S1 in picking up missed dirt. The S1 Pro's docking station is large and requires ample space, which might be inconvenient for smaller homes. It efficiently handles dust and water management, though Eufy insists on using its proprietary cleaning solution, adding to ongoing costs. Introducing the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, the latest in robot vacuum and mop technology that promises to redefine your home cleaning experience. This model integrates advanced features, impressive suction power, and intelligent navigation, making it a standout choice in the market. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is a powerhouse with 10,000 PA of suction, dual brush rolls with a concealed scraper to prevent tangling, and a primary mop that vibrates 4,000 times per minute for effective scrubbing. It also includes a secondary edge mop that rotates 185 times per minute, ensuring thorough edge cleaning. The robot's LiDAR navigation and AI-equipped camera allow it to recognize and avoid 73 different obstacles, enhancing its cleaning efficiency. A unique feature of the S8 MaxV Ultra is its ability to function as an indoor home security camera, complete with a built-in microphone for voice control. The base station is designed to be user-friendly, with a dedicated compartment for floor cleaning solution, automatic dustbin emptying, and a sleek, aesthetically pleasing design. It measures 18.5 by 16.1 by 16.5 inches and requires ample clearance space. Setup is straightforward. After unboxing, place the base station on a hard floor near an outlet, attach the power cord and ramp, and follow the app's instructions to connect the robot to Wi-Fi. The app, available for both Android and iOS, guides users through the setup process and offers features like automatic suction boosting on carpets, map saving, and do not disturb settings. The S8 MaxV Ultra's cleaning performance is exceptional. It handles dust, debris, and pet hair effortlessly, even on deep pile carpets, thanks to its powerful suction and dual rubber roller brush system. The robot's AI and sensors adjust suction based on debris detection, ensuring efficient cleaning. The mopping system, although leaving occasional streaks, effectively maintains clean floors with its vibrating mop pad and edge-reaching capabilities. The Roborock app enhances the user experience, allowing customization of cleaning routines, floor plan edits, and obstacle avoidance settings. Users can also access features like pet photo captures, spot cleaning, and adjusting dock settings. The S8 MaxV Ultra's remote control feature and onboard video add to its convenience. Despite some limitations, such as occasional streaking during mopping and a non-detachable mop cloth mount, the S8 MaxV Ultra excels in both vacuuming and mopping. Its impressive hardware, innovative features, and robust performance make it a top contender for those seeking a high-end robotic cleaning solution. Meet the Bissell SpinWave, a versatile robot that combines powerful vacuuming and efficient mopping for a comprehensive cleaning solution. This multifunctional cleaner seamlessly switches between vacuuming and mopping, making household chores a breeze. The SpinWave offers up to 130 minutes of vacuuming with its 1,500 PA suction power, rotating brush roll, and side bristles, making it effective on various floor types, from carpets to hardwood. For mopping, simply replace the dry tank with the wet tank, which features spinning mop pads and uses Bissell's proprietary cleaning solution, ensuring your hard floors get a thorough clean without the risk of water damage. Equipped with gyroscopic navigation, the SpinWave follows smart, structured cleaning patterns and detects carpets to avoid them while mopping. The Bissell Connect app allows you to schedule cleanings, control the robot, and customize settings like suction power and water flow to suit your needs. The app is available in select countries, including Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and Portugal. Measuring 12.25 inches in diameter and 3.25 inches tall, the SpinWave's sleek, all-white design complements modern home decor. A light ring around the top indicates the robot's status, adding to its aesthetic appeal. Setting up the SpinWave is straightforward. Place the charging dock with ample clearance, turn on the robot, and let it charge for 4 to 5 hours. Download the Bissell Connect app, create an account, and follow the simple setup process, which includes scanning a QR code to pair the robot with your home Wi-Fi. Although a connectivity issue may occasionally occur, resetting the robot typically resolves this. Using the app, you can control the SpinWave's cleaning pattern, adjust suction power or water flow, start or stop cleaning, send it back to the dock, schedule cleanings, and track cleaning history. The SpinWave offers 2 cleaning modes: Auto, which cleans in straight lines and returns to the dock when the battery is low, and Spot, which cleans a specific area in a spiral pattern. In vacuuming mode, the SpinWave efficiently collects pet hair, dust, and debris from hard floors and low-pile carpets. However, for medium to high-pile carpets, a robot with higher suction power might be more suitable. The SpinWave also features a main brush roll and dual edge cleaning brushes. Battery life is generally up to 100 minutes, though it may vary depending on the use. On the other hand, the dustbin, with a capacity of 13.5 ounces, collected a fair amount of debris during these runs. Say hello to spotless floors with the iRobot Braava Jet M6, a top-tier robot mop designed for homes with mostly hardwood or tile floors. With its impressive battery life and the ability to cover up to 1,000 square feet in a session, this smart mop ensures your floors stay spotless. Capable of both sweeping and mopping, it detects carpets and maps your home for targeted cleaning, making it an editor's choice for maintaining clean floors. The Braava Jet M6 is compact, measuring 3.5 by 10 by 10.6 inches, and weighing 5 pounds, making it easy to move around. The top panel features a docking sensor, camera, carrying handle, and buttons for home, clean, and spot clean functions. It includes 3 wet mopping pads, 3 dry sweeping pads, and a sample bottle of cleaning solution. To set up, plug in the charging station, attach the drip tray, and download the iRobot Home app. Create an account, connect the robot to your Wi-Fi, and follow the simple setup instructions. The app's main screen lets you start and stop cleaning, check battery levels, and switch between cleaning modes. You can also schedule cleanings, view cleaning history, and customize room maps. The M6 supports voice control via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to issue commands to start, stop, pause, or return to the dock. The M6 effectively sweeps dust and hair using its dry sweeping pad, navigating expertly with its camera and sensors. When mopping, it sprays and scrubs each section multiple times, picking up more dirt than expected. Although not powerful enough for deep-set stains, regular use keeps floors consistently clean. The M6 laser navigation sensor identifies carpets and avoids them while mopping. Its Smart Map feature accurately learns the layout of your home after a few runs, allowing you to label rooms and direct the robot to specific areas. It can also work with iRobot's Roomba Y7 and S9 vacuums, mopping freshly vacuumed areas. Battery life is strong, offering up to 160 minutes of cleaning in mixed modes. The M6 requires regular tank refills depending on the size of the area and the amount of liquid used. While it uses a proprietary cleaning solution, alternatives like Bona Floor Cleaner work well. Impressed by the iRobot Braava Jet M6's effortless floor cleaning? Stay tuned for more amazing gadget reviews that will transform your home maintenance routine. Like, subscribe and comment below to share your excitement and help us bring you the latest in home tech innovations. Tired of manual mopping? Meet the Samsung Jetbot Mop, a compact and versatile floor cleaning robot designed to effortlessly maintain your home. Measuring 15 by 9.3 by 9 inches, it easily navigates tight spaces, making it perfect for small homes and apartments. The Jetbot Mop offers 8 cleaning modes, including Auto, Edge, Focus, Intensive, Pattern, Step, 50 minutes, and Manual, controlled via a remote. In Auto mode, it moves in a random pattern, while other modes provide specific cleaning patterns, such as spirals or figure eights. It also features a unique hand mode for manual scrubbing of walls. Weighing just 6 pounds and equipped with a handle, the Jetbot Mop is easy to transport. Setting it up is simple. Just charge it, wet the mop pads, fill the water tanks, and attach them to the robot. The LED indicator on the handle shows the battery status, and a full charge takes about 1.5 hours. During operation, the Jetbot Mop's dual spinning pads scrub the floors, leaving a thin film of water that dries quickly. It runs at a relatively quiet 63 decibels, equivalent to normal conversation levels. The battery lasts up to 100 minutes, enough for most cleaning tasks. The Jetbot Mop efficiently cleans various floor types without getting stuck and successfully avoids falls thanks to its smart sensors. It can traverse boundary strips between different flooring materials, but may occasionally roll onto rugs. The Jetbot Mop excels in surface cleaning, but is less effective on deep-set stains as it uses plain water. For tougher jobs, manual intervention is required. However, its ease of use and efficient design make it a valuable tool for regular maintenance. Affordable and easy to operate, the Samsung Jetbot Mop is an excellent alternative to more expensive models, providing reliable cleaning performance and reducing the need for manual mopping. The AIRROBO T20 Plus robot vacuum and mop combo is a game changer for effortless home cleaning. Featuring the advanced USLAM Air 5.0 algorithm and LiDAR navigation, it creates precise maps and efficient cleaning routes while avoiding obstacles and falls. This smart vacuum offers a 3.5 liters self-emptying station, enabling up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning. Equipped with a 350 milliliters dust box and 340 milliliters water tank, the T20 Plus easily switches between vacuuming and mopping modes. With 4 suction levels and 3 water output settings, it ensures thorough cleaning on various floor types. The removable rubber floating main brush with a HEPA filter reduces hair tangles and captures pet hair and debris, making it perfect for homes with pets. Operating at less than 65 decibels, it's quiet enough for babies and pets. Boasting a 3,200 mAh battery, the T20 Plus offers up to 180 minutes of runtime, sufficient for large homes. When the battery is low, it automatically returns to its charging station. The vacuum can be controlled via a smart app, voice commands, or remote control, allowing you to set cleaning schedules, adjust modes, and create no-go zones. The package includes an automatic dust collection station, robot vacuum, water tank, HEPA filter, mop cloth, wiper module, dust bag, remote control, side brush, warranty card, and user manual, along with a 12-month warranty and professional customer service. As warmer months bring more pet shedding, the AIRROBO T20 Plus robot vacuum and mop combo is an essential device to keep your home clean. Its advanced features and powerful performance ensure spotless floors, even in hard-to-reach areas. The NOESIS Florio 2-in-1 robot is the smarter way to clean, offering effortless floor maintenance for up to 15 days with its self-emptying dock. This advanced robot vacuum and mop combo features a powerful 5,100 PA suction and dynamic scrubbing to tackle dirt on both carpets and hard floors. Its dual neural vision technology, combining AI and stereo vision sensors, helps avoid obstacles and prevent falls around stairs. The Florio's self-emptying station not only collects dust, but also replaces mop pads and refills water, ensuring continuous cleaning without spreading dirt between rooms. Its D-shaped design allows it to clean edges and corners more effectively than round vacuums. Setting up the Florio is simple. Plug it in, fill the water tank, and let it create a 3D map of your home. You can control cleaning schedules, modes, and frequency via a custom app. The robot's low profile allows it to clean under most furniture, and it operates quietly, making it suitable for households with pets and children. The Florio also features a lift technology that raises the mop pad and brush when moving between rooms to prevent dirt transfer. It includes anti-drop sensors to avoid stairs, and it can maneuver around furniture and other obstacles effortlessly. With the app, users can control the robot from anywhere, set schedules, and monitor its performance, ensuring a spotless home with minimal effort. As introduced in the beginning, the Ecovacs Deebot X1 Omni is the latest flagship robot vacuum and mop combo, offering significant advancements over its predecessors. This high-powered device not only vacuums and mops, but also automates maintenance tasks. After mopping, it empties dirty water, cleans its pads, dries them with hot air to prevent bacteria growth, and refills with clean water. This hot air drying feature sets it apart from other models like the S7 MaxV Ultra. Beyond cleaning, the Deebot X1 Omni functions as a security camera, allowing remote home monitoring and two-way audio communication via your phone. Its built-in virtual assistant, Eco, simplifies voice control, making it more user-friendly than models relying on Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The Deebot X1 Omni features an elegant black and silver design. At 14.3 inches in diameter and 4.1 inches tall, it's slightly larger than its competitors. Its Omni station, measuring 16.9 by 17.6 by 22.8 inches, is bigger than most, but its sleek appearance is a plus. This station houses 4-liter clean and dirty water tanks, reducing the frequency of refills and empties to about once a week for a 1,000-square-foot home. The dust collection cabin within the Omni station includes a 3-liter dust bag, with replacements available for purchase. The robot notifies users when the bag needs replacing. On top, it has an auto mode button and a true mapping distance sensor for efficient navigation using LiDAR technology. The Deebot X1 Omni boasts advanced AI-powered obstacle avoidance with AVI and True Detect laser depth sensors, enabling it to navigate and clean without getting stuck. Its D-shaped design ensures thorough cleaning of edges and corners, a common challenge for round robots. Setting up the Deebot X1 Omni is straightforward. Plug it in, fill the water tank, and let it map your home. The app allows easy control over cleaning schedules and modes. Despite its small 0.4-liter dustbin, the auto-empty function compensates, making maintenance easy. The robot's navigation system, True Mapping, creates a detailed 3D map of your home, enhancing its cleaning efficiency. The X1 Omni's onboard camera and speaker enable remote monitoring and communication, although some users might find this feature intrusive. Despite the security certification from 2V Rhineland, concerns about privacy remain. The robot's ability to handle both vacuuming and mopping efficiently makes it a strong contender in the market. Hey everyone, thanks for sticking around for this video. If you found this helpful or entertaining, subscribing to the channel is a fantastic way to stay in the loop. I'm constantly creating new content, and I'd love for you to be a part of the community. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into an innovative gadget that is designed for the index finger, which allows thumb operation to manage playlists and phone functions via Bluetooth, even while wearing gloves. Are you sure you want to miss this one out? See you.